Are you tired of spending hours staring at a blank screen, struggling to come up with the perfect words for your blog post? Writing quality content can be time consuming and overwhelming, leaving you feeling frustrated and unproductive. But what if I showed you a solution that could help you write a blog post fast without sacrificing quality? In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a blog post fast using Copy.ai. Hi everyone, I'm Maury with Momo AI Tools, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to write a blog post fast using Copy.ai. We're going to write about 1,000 words in 5 minutes. Before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Alright, so this is the tool that we're going to be using. It's called Copy.ai. Now, I'm not going to go into depth about what Copy.ai is, how it works, all that stuff. I already made a video talking about that on this channel, so be sure to go ahead and check that out after this video. I'll leave a link in the description down below for you. But if you want to try this tool out, you do get a 7-day free trial and see if you like it. If you do like it, awesome. If you don't, cool. I will be making other reviews over other writing AI content that you can see if you like. So in this video, I'm going to be using this Copy.ai tool because they have a function in here where you can literally write about 1,000-word blog post in under 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account. All right, and I have an account. This is what it looks like. So what you do is you go to the blog post wizard, and let's say you can type in whatever you want, but in this video, I'm just going to type in how to make money online, and then I'm going to just put make money online. We can go with friendly for the tonality. So what it's doing right now is it's generating me an outline. So with this outline, this is what it's going to base it. This is what it's going to base the blog post off of. Okay. And let's just say I want to generate a few more just to make this blog longer and have more words. All right. So boom. So the next thing that you want to do is go to generate talking points. And what it's doing right now is accumulating talking points that we can use for this blog. So we have sell your art. You can sell it on Etsy, eBay, all that good stuff. Okay. And then you go to generate content. Okay. So as you can see, it generated me a blog post or content. So I have an introduction. Now, if I don't like this introduction, I can always go to regenerate content. If I don't like anything that this blog post says, I can always go to regenerate content. If I wanted to elaborate on a section, I can go to write more. And what it will do for me is write more words for me. So that's working right now. We have our conclusion. As you can see, it generated me more content, and it even added a reference down there. So now I'm going to go to create the blog post. Now, as you can see, we created about 1,014 word blog post in under 3 minutes. Okay, so it's very easy on how to use this, and if you want to even add pictures, you can add pictures to this. Okay, you can customize it, add your spin to it, add, like if you want to add links, you can add word links to this. If you want to add headers, make things bold, italicized, underline, you can do all that. But the last thing I want to say with this tool, yeah, you're able to generate 1,000+ words in under 5 minutes, cool. But you always want to make sure that you reread it, go back and edit it, add your personal spin to it, rewords a couple things, because with these AI tools, especially since Copy.ai does not have a plagiarism checker, you always want to go use another tool, which I'll leave in the link down below. You want to use that tool to make sure that the computer does not detect that this was an AI generated post, okay? So the biggest issue with Copy.ai is you have to make sure that you fact check it. You have to fact check it because, yeah, it's able to spit out a whole blog post very, very quickly. That doesn't necessarily mean that everything is accurate. Now, with a simple title with how to make money online, that's not really a serious topic. It's serious, but it's not something that you're going to need to really fact check, because these ways that it's talking about are actual legit ways to make money online. But I'm more so talking about like research papers or things that really need to be fact checked. So with that being said, this is how you make a blog post with 1,000 words in under 5 minutes. If you want to give this tool a try, be sure to click the link down below in the description. Also, if you want to watch a review over this software, be sure to click it should be a link to the other video that I made about this tool, but this tool is actually a pretty good tool. Now they do have another method that you can use to come up with blog posts, but this tool the blog post wizard that I showed you is really the most effective way. Now they do have other ones too, like you can create a blog intro, you can do blog outline, you can even write a full blog section. But I just wanted to show you the quickest way, which is the blog post wizard, okay? And with that being said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, guys, if you want to give this tool a try, be sure to click the link down below so you can try it and see if you like it. Now you do have a 7-day trial. Of course, you want to watch the review that I did before actually purchasing the tool. But I just want to show you how quickly you can use this tool to create a blog post. Now I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.